Hi everyone. So I want to show you how you can replace the nozzle quickly without opening or disassembling anything. First, you're going to have to remove that plastic rubber. And obviously the nozzle is preheated here. So I'm pushing the filament in just to kind of take it out and then take anything that's left over in there. And I always like to hold the hot end with a bigger wrench just to prevent it from breaking or bending or anything. It feels more secure that way. So here, and then I will loose in the nozzle with like a ratchet. So here, be careful. Again, the nozzle is preheated. So after losing that up a little bit, I usually continue with my own hand and then just take it out and then bring in the new nozzle in. So here I'm going down from the zero point 0.8 to zero point 0.4, and let's screw the new nozzle in. Again, the hot end is still hot here. I usually preheat for PLA and do that quickly. And I don't like to tighten the nozzle too much, so I don't recommend over tighten this. I would just give it a nice snug uh, twist, and that should feel fine. And again, I like to hold the hot end with that larger wrench, so that usually makes it a little bit safer and more secure. And at the last piece here, we're just gonna put back that plastic rubber. So that way you can replace your nozzle without having to disassemble anything. Thank you for watching.